72 miles an hour.
It is no surprise that generating power is advantageous in many athletic events. Disc golf is no different. You see, generating consistent distance off the tee is the product of many things, including the development of power through the entire kinetic chain, specifically rotation through a transverse plane. As we apply force into the ground, we can thank physics for reciprocating equal force sent back up through our bodies. More force into the ground means more force through our bodies. But the method is not about forcing your leg into the ground to generate more ground reaction force. That is too restrictive and archaic. Instead, the method is about letting go of what we thought we knew. It is about decreasing tension in certain muscles so we can increase tension in others. In real time, everything seems to happen all at once. By slowing down the video, we can more easily analyze the method sequentially. So notice how well the leading limb anchors the athlete. There is no wasted movement here. Now, as the athlete progresses through the throw, we can see the compressive internal rotation and visualize the force being developed along the inside of this trailing limb. We transition and externally rotate as we fire the external rotators of this planting leg. It is the simultaneous combination of both internal and external rotation, alternation and reciprocation, where the energy is optimally transferred from the hips, through the obliques, into the arm, and as you can see, into the disc. From this motion, a bird's eye view allows us to follow these trackers and allows us to see how our bodies naturally respond to this action. In this example, we can see and even feel the amount of internal rotation speed and force being developed along the inside of the trailing leg. From this motion, our bodies will naturally transition and will slingshot open as we fire the external rotators, the most powerful muscles in the body of the planting leg. It is this combination and successive action of internal and external rotation, alternation and reciprocation, where energy is optimally transferred through the obliques, the arms, and into the disc. When the athlete trusts and allows the upper extremity to follow the natural progression of the hip rotation, we see and feel the consequence, the most efficient display of force segmentation. Therefore, the key is putting our bodies first in a position in order to develop this force and unload it where we want it. In this case, the disc.